Are you looking for a completely renovated property right here in Sun City Summerlin in the heart of Las Vegas? Well, you're in luck, because today we have this amazing property that has been completely transformed from old and outdated to absolutely beautiful and modern. And this property is going to be brought to you by Paragon. Paragon AMG is the top provider of premier renovated homes right here in the Las Vegas Valley. I can't wait to show you this one. Let's get to the tour. Welcome to an exclusive tour of this amazing single-story home listed at $1.48 million. Nestled on the 17th green of the Highland Falls Golf Course in prestigious 55-plus community of Sun City Summerlin, this Paragon Creation masterpiece offers an unparalleled living experience. Located in the vibrant Sun City Summerlin community, residents enjoy access to 4 clubhouses, a state-of-the-art fitness center, 3 golf courses, and more. The community offers a lifestyle that combines leisure, activity, and convenience. So as you can see, we completely transformed the front space with the new walkway going up, lighted walkway, all of the LED lighting shining on the house. And then this completely transformed this courtyard space and opened it up. Now you have the ability to put out some patio furniture, hang out here, drink your coffee, and look at the iconic Summerlin Mountains right behind you. Built in 1997, this elegant home spans 2,577 square feet of exquisite living space on a 0.2-acre lot. As you approach, you'll notice the beautifully landscaped front yard and a spacious 2.5-car garage with additional golf cart parking, perfect for avid golfers. Are you ready for the reveal? Drum roll, please. Come on in. Ta-da! As you can see, completely modernized and redone. All of the old outdated stuff is completely gone. You walk in, we've got the wire brushed white oak wood flooring throughout on the floors, and then engineered hardwood on the ceilings as well to add that accent. Absolutely beautiful. And obviously the accented wall here that gives some contrast to this entire area. So I'm curious to hear your thoughts on this. This is our formal living and dining space. And we've done this accent wall, massive accent wall in here with the white oak flooring and the engineered hardwood ceilings. Let me know what you think of as far as the way that this blends together, maybe the colors. I don't know, I'd love to hear your thoughts on that, so add some comments below for us, please. Open it up for your formal dining space. And then let's head towards the kitchen, because this is where you're going to see the biggest transformation and opening up of this entire space. So let's step into the chef's dream of a kitchen. Noticing how we've completely opened this space. Remember, the appliances were on this side, the stove was there, had the walls, all the space was just completely enclosed. Now we've opened it wide open and it looks absolutely gorgeous. You have a view of the living space, view of the golf course from your dining nook. And then we've added in the waterfall island with all of the high-end appliances, Z-line appliances from dishwasher to microwave to refrigerator, and 6-burner stove cooktop with the marble backsplash. So here in the family room or great room, whatever you want to call it, we've got the aquarium with the turtles, just kidding, obviously the TV. But one of the unique features that we always put into these properties is our vapor fireplace. So this is a vapor steam that's coming out, and it actually acts as a humidifier throughout the house as well, which is a cool design, changes colors. Our built-in bookshelves with the indirect lighting up this whole entire space. And then we've completely wiped out this wall, added in the pano doors here to blend the outdoors with the indoors, and then you have access to your backyard and your golf course right here. So as we head into the bedroom spaces, you can see we've added some wood accents in the hallway and the ceiling and added some can lights to brighten the space. And then the office space, we were able to convert this to a third bedroom here now. So we went from two bedrooms to a 3-bedroom home. Accent ceilings again, added the closet, and now you have the option to go office, den, or bedroom. So one of the unique things that we like to do in our properties is we partner with some of the local artists, and we're going to be displaying their artwork throughout the house here, and this artwork is for sale. So if you're interested, comment below, please. So here we are in the primary bedroom. You can see some of the changes that we made in here with the large ceiling fan, the wood accents on the ceiling again, engineered wood. Again, brushed oak flooring throughout the entire house except for the wet areas. And then one thing we did here was a little different. We added this accent wall in the bedroom, which is stone tile. Let me know what you think about this. This is a different look for us, so we're testing it out. Love to hear your comments on it. Again, comment below. We've added the fireplace here. We still got a couple of finishing touches left to do with adding the TV on the wall, but you can see we've had the addition of the fireplace and then the pano doors. And this is a new feature that we're also just added on this property, is the screen on the pano doors. Normally when you open these wide open, you obviously have the opportunity for insects to fly in or whatnot. So you got your own screen, which is awesome. And then this view of the golf course from your bedroom. Ready for the primary bathroom reveal? If you remember what this looked like before, it was pretty bad and outdated. Now check it out. You got the barn door, separates the bathroom from the bedroom, floating cabinets, LED lighting, and brand new tub, which is good. Tub, stand-up shower, got stone on all the walls. Kind of gives a little bit of an accent to all of these windows that let in the light, which is amazing. And again, our built-in LED lighting, accent lighting throughout in the bathroom just gives it that additional touch. And hey, just a quick note, if you've got a property anywhere here in the Las Vegas Valley and you'd like to get maximum exposure for it, bringing in the best possible buyers so that we can get you the highest price, please reach out. I'd love to sit down and have a consultation with you. And if you're looking to purchase a home, my team and I are here to be a resource for you. We'd love to help you out. Now let's get back to the tour. One of the standout features of this home is the seamless blend of indoor and outdoor living. A beautiful 15-foot wide panoramic door with 5 individual panels opens up to the outdoor space. All right, so now let's utilize these big panel doors and let's go outside. In the backyard, we've added the outdoor kitchen with the big Duro barbecue. And then on this side of the backyard, we have a patio space underneath the big shade trees, which is a nice space to hang out. And then added in the artificial turf to add a lot of greenery back here, and you can also hang out in this space. One of the things that I do want to mention that I mentioned in the before video is this wall. We will be extending that wall 15 feet out to take away from some of the traffic there from the main road, so you won't see that, and all you'll see is golf course. The permits are coming in for that, so we'll be finalizing that soon. And then come check out this view of the 17th green, Highland Falls Golf Course. Experience the ultimate in luxury living with this stunning golf front home. This is Paragon AMG's final masterpiece in Sun City Summerlin, offering a perfect blend of elegance, comfort, and convenience. Don't miss the chance to make this dream home yours. So guess what? That's it for this beautiful renovation by Paragon AMG. Thanks again for coming along with us on the tour. If you've got any questions about this property or any of our other renovation projects, please comment below. Love to reach out to you, and we will see you on the next one. Thanks for being here.